Now we will understand how to connect Wi-Fi. From the home screen, we'll go to the settings option. Here we'll go to the network option. As you can see, we have Wi-Fi on and off. So if your Wi-Fi is off, you can on it from here. Below we can see the networks. Whichever is your network, you can click on it, enter the password and connect. This is how you can connect the Wi-Fi. Now we will understand how to connect your devices through Bluetooth. We'll connect the speaker. From the home screen, we'll go to the settings option. Here you can see the Bluetooth option. If your Bluetooth is off, switch it on. It will start scanning the devices. Connect your device. It's connected. This is how you're going to connect your device through Bluetooth. This projector comes with an autofocus and auto keystoning. As you can see, it is automatically focusing and it has adjusted also. We recommend you to keep the projector on autofocus and auto keystoning mode only, but still if you want to do it manually, we have the feature. For focusing, you have two buttons here. One is F minus, F plus. You can focus it manually. And for keystoning, we'll go to the settings. From here, projection. And you have manual keystone here. As you can see, we have manual keystone screen here. We have 4 corners here. You have to adjust the screen through these navigation buttons. To go on the next corner, you have to press OK. We'll adjust the second corner. This seems good to me. This is how you are going to adjust the screen manually.